I was 5 or 6 years old, and we would drive by this building, and I was obsessed. I jumped out of the car, tried to run into the building, and the doorman just kind of caught me. And my mother was right behind me, and she said, "You can't go in there." I said, "Someday I'm going to live here."
Within our partnerships with HCR, the backing that is provided through not just funding, but expertise. Our mission is in affordable housing, our ability to preserve, to protect, and procure affordable housing across the state. We've been able to work on over half a dozen new construction projects, over 30 preservation and adaptive reuse projects.
The people who lived in the building were all interdependent upon each other. There was a tenant who would do your laundry. There was a tenant who would do your shop.
Governor Hochul and HCR's ingenuity and imagination of helping to develop and support these projects in housing in New York is the only way that we would be able to see these projects to fruition.
And people need to have decent housing. There are a lot of homeless people and disenfranchised people in Utica who live on the margins like me. I'm an artist.
Having something bigger than myself, having something bigger than what we do every day is what makes me feel like I'm playing my part to try to add something of value